Perfect. Lachlan, what are you doing? Good job. Nice drinking. Are you 13 months old? Yeah. Oh, almost 14 months actually. And what are we doing? Well, now we're drinking the water, but before we'd been filling it up and dumping it on the floor, just like that. Yeah, like that. There's no dance party in here today, which has happened before. But the water content is high. Yeah? And Ellie is washing the floors. Which were just washed by Julia, but Ellie's washing them again. I'm hoping is going to dry them soon. You alright? Of course you are. Lachlan? 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 I'd rather you not do this, quite honestly. Yeah, that's what you think. How about that? Nice to know you care about my opinion. But it's water. Oh, what a shame. The cup is gone. Oh, okay, I'll help you. Just hang on.